What's up, cool cats and kittens? It is Uncle Mad here, and it's time for the holiday season to begin, and to get things in the mood, we have to decorate the house. So as we did around Halloween time, we're gonna make a vlog all about the spreading of holiday cheer throughout the house as we decorate and make this place a winter wonderland. So come along for the journey into a magical holiday spirit season with us. One point I want to point out before we get into the vlog, there is an old tradition in my family to drink white wine while putting up Christmas decorations. Now, as you know, I'm not a drinker, but I'm also not one who is going to stand against family traditions. So if you see me with a glass of white in my hand throughout the video, it's because I'm following family traditions. Nothing more, nothing less. But let's get to decorating now. All right, so the first thing we have to do is retreat to the dungeon where all things that we don't use year-round are stored, such as Sissy.
Hi.
To where everything is stored. So you might see some familiar sights from our Halloween decorating video. And back there in the corner is where the magic resides year-round until holiday time, when it's time to release the magic. Did that make sense? Alright, so we've got all of the decorations up from the dungeon now. First thing we need to do is sort through everything, figure out what's going to be outside decorations, what's going to be inside decorations. So I'm going to do the outside first because it's daylight savings time. We're running out of daylight every freaking day. Makes no sense, but gotta take advantage of the daylight while I have to get the outdoor stuff set up. So gotta figure out what's outdoor and what's indoor, and then we'll get to actually putting the stuff up. Alright, so this is a bit of a surprise decoration thing. Jessica, not a big fan of inflatable decorations. Hold on. There I am. Jessica, not a big fan of inflatable decorations. Bum, 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 bum. Snowman. And the main man himself, Santa Claus. So we'll come back and get a nighttime shot to see everything looks lit up later. Top of this, maybe? I don't really have a clear, I think I'm on the top, but I'm not sure what the top is. I think that's the top. Cheers. Check this out. Tree, phone. Let's do a little magic on the tree. Maybe a little red. How about that? What? Maybe a little more? Let's go there. Got some down there. And there, 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 and there. Maybe a little blue. People like blue. Yeah. How about that? Green? Green's the family color. Green is the color of the tree. Get a lot of green. Let's do a little sparkle. Sparkle Nation. Ah, yeah. Got that. Do a little bit of that. What else we got? Oh, that's the main phone. What else we got in here? Snake. Alright, so day one of decorating is done. House is a bit of a war zone, but it's always like this till you get straightened. Pretty much the last thing to do is to finish up the tree, the main component, the main event of any Christmas decor. And Mr. Cat has claimed this space underneath the tree as his own personal domicile? I have no idea what I'm saying. Watching United Southampton while I finish up the tree. Not going well so far. United down 1-0. Of course, that's the pattern. We smashed Istanbul midweek, so we have to be down in the next game. Can't string 2 good games in a row together. Just doesn't happen for United. 2-0. I'm not going to say that James Ward-Prowse should have been sent off for a second yellow card, but he should have. Have a hit. Yes! Let's go! Woo! Horse! Yes! Let's go! Alright, so we finished up with decorating for the most part. So I want to do a quick tour of everything we got. Not a whole lot in my room. I probably need to add some more of this, but I'm kind of redoing the whole room, and a lot of that will be done with what I get for Christmas, so not doing too much right now. Got a little Santa Man here. Over here, we've got a Berry Merry Christmas. It's like a Christmas countdown calendar. I've had this since I was probably born. Used to be in my childhood room, and I've transferred it to my grown-up man-child room. A nice old wreath here. The guest bathroom features Vandy Santa Claus. One of the funniest things, a little detail I didn't notice for years on this, on the Christmas list, beat Tennessee. Probably not happening this year. I don't know. Both teams are kind of in shambles. And then my wife's favorite piece of our decorations, absolute favorite, she says, make sure you put this up every year. Mickey Mouse shower curtain. Beautiful. All right, so the living room is where most of the magic happens. Hogwarts Castle. There's the trio there. The rest of the mini Funko Pops of all the various Harry Potter characters. Actually had these as like an advent calendar last year and just decided to keep them because they were pretty cool little decorations. They're in their garb from the Winter Ball from the Triwizard Tournament. Little known fact, Hogwarts Castle is very near to Cleveland, Ohio, where the Christmas Story house takes place, as well as the school. Also, Cinderella's Castle is not too far from there. We've got this nice little, another helpful countdown calendar provided by Mickey and Minnie Force here. Titans get represented. I don't know what that fox is, but it's here. Little snowman candle. Cool snow globe, courtesy of Eileen. Neen to you. Some candles. Got a little Titans elf on the shelf with his friend. And then we've got our movie tribute. We've got all the Christmas Story decorations here. A fun children's book. I'm there too. Die Hard Christmas. Die Hard is a Christmas movie. Then we've got our tribute to Christmas Vacation with all our Clark Griswold ornaments. These are ornaments, but they also stand up, so I just put them on display up here instead of hanging them on the tree. They all have little buttons you can push that get you the little light ups and cool things like that. Parker's feet, his first Christmas. We've got our stockings that each commemorate our favorite things. For Sissy, of course, we have The Rock. For Jessica, we've got Darth Vader because she is a Sith. And then for me, we have the glorious Manchester United. And a few little bibs and bobs and nicks and knacks down there. The tree in all its glory. Very excited because this year we added a rotating stand to the mix with the Christmas tree, so we could actually decorate the full tree instead of loading up the front and leaving the back naked. So far, so good. Really worried about how this rotating tree was going to go with the cats. Was that going to make them more likely to attack it or less likely? Thus far, it has been safe. Dining room's pretty fun. Little rocking horse and some candle holders. Also, courtesy Eileen. Little Santa hat coverings on the chairs. A little mini bar area over here. We got some snowman mugs. Santa martini glass. A little bit of a snowman sipping straws here. Moose mugs for when we have our eggnog and booze. But I'm not a drinker, so I just drink regular old eggnog out of them. A couple little decorative trees over there. Our St. Patty's Day decoration that just stays out year-round for some reason. Missed this earlier, but we also have another Christmas countdown calendar. This is the one I let Parker do. I do all the others because they're mine, but Parker gets to do this one. Got this newer wreath to our collection, hanging off the new, I don't know what you call this, railing, lattice work, whatever. Jessica did all this, and then I put a wreath on it. Alright, so starting with the outside, we have one of the projector lighting things. These things are so cool, make decorating so easy, but also too easy on people like me who are very lazy. We've got some little candy canes lining the path here. Some more candy canes hanging up on the banisters or the columns. It's weird how much I don't know what stuff is called. Lollipops lining the front garden here. Jessica's absolute favorite part of our decorations are inflatables, Santa, and his buddy the snowman. Nice little wreath type thing there. Wreath on the front door. And that is pretty much it. I
I'd like to add some more stuff outside though. I was thinking of getting some like of the netting lights that you can just kind of chuck and kind of throw them onto the garden areas here to add a little light here. I've put them in my cart on Amazon like 15 times and not pulled the trigger on buying them, but I think I might before Christmas is over this year. Okay, that is it for our decorating spectacular. Everything's ready. The house looks beautiful. It's everybody's favorite time of the year. I know it's mine. I'm looking in my sweater, got my hat on. Everything's looking great. Jessica's smiling ear to ear over there off camera. She is so happy it's Christmas season. Lots more holiday vlogs coming, lots of ideas for things to get us in the spirit. So if you need videos to get you in the Christmas cheer, this is the place for it. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get all of our special magical holiday notifications. Leave comments down below. How are you celebrating the season of giving? Remember the reason for the season, all those good things. Get your Starbucks holiday cups like everybody does. Give this video a thumbs up, not a thumbs down, because if we get too many thumbs downs, Parker doesn't get any Christmas presents. That's just the rules. Don't look at me like that. I didn't make up the rules. That's in the YouTube bylaws. That if there's videos that feature kids, they have to get a certain amount of thumbs up and a certain amount of not thumbs down, or the kids don't get gifts. Don't look at me like that. I didn't make the rules. It's a partnership between Santa Claus and YouTube. I didn't agree to it, but it's where we're at. Enjoy your holiday season and make sure you're sticking around for all the great holiday videos that are to come. Also cat videos, they're never gonna stop. They've weirdly gotten really popular lately. I don't know what just happened in the last couple of weeks, but whatever will be, will be. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Don't stand so close to me. What was that? Thought I heard something arise to the roof like a clatter. Well, it's too early for that anyway, so I guess that probably wasn't what happened. Could have been. You never know.